One thing that we have in us in Art Deco is we don't compete with the market, we define the market.
Oh, I like that.
There you go.
This is the story of our come up.
And hopefully this video will help bring out the entrepreneur in you. Hi, my name is Rian.
I'm Abby.
And we are Art Deco Design and Development Corp. I'm the CEO.
And I am the lead designer. And
So-
I'm the boss of the boss.
Pretty much.
Rian and I both quit our 9-to-5s to pursue our dreams and passion.
And we don't have any regrets, and we're loving. The history of Art Deco is quite a story. We started from really our own bedroom.
Yes.
Starting from organizing our bedrooms into the style of She Visions, and we posted in social media, and it kind of snowballed from that point forward.
The very first project that we have done was mainly at my parents' house. I started about 10 years ago DIYing mainly my furnitures in my room. I thought I was doing a great job. I spray painted all my furniture, just one coat, in the middle of October, where it was really cold already, with the garage wide open. All wide open. 10 years later, when I asked my mom about us redoing their kitchen, pretty much their whole house, my mom didn't really trust me. She had a trauma because of how my furniture looked like before. It's not just about asking, but it's like us basically begging to use their house as a show home of our vision and how we have improved all throughout the years.
When we were starting, I knew right away that we would definitely need a bigger vehicle than my sedan. We're very blessed that my mom was able to lend me her SUV. Because of COVID, she has been out of work and the car's been sitting, and she's been awesome enough to provide her vehicle to us. I take a lot of pride and also at the same time love for that vehicle, because that vehicle has brought us places. We were able to transport a lot of materials and equipments in that vehicle, bags and bags of sand, bags and bags of paint,
Paints, lumbers, name all the materials.
drywall. Imagine this: 5 foot 4 inches of drywall, and the rest of the 8 foot drywall
Yes.
was hanging off the back.
I was on the passenger seat and I literally have to grab the whole side of the drywall for it not to fall.
Art Deco Design and Developments really didn't just came out as Art Deco Design and Developments. It came out of as a small company named Art Deco Design and Organize.
Yes.
Because at that time we saw ourselves where we come in, we make the room better, make it nicer, organize things, more like a decorator.
Yeah.
We started from nothing.
Just the two of us.
Just the two of us.
No team, no nothing.
Exactly. But with the power of dedication, and the most important factor that a lot of people become successful is, it's not just about the money. This is not about a gating project and us making money. This is about a sense of community, and it's our way of sharing our talent. So over that process, we were able to scale it to bigger things.
We started from just two of us. He's basically doing all the carpentry work.
Yeah.
And then now we have our flooring guys, our plumbing guys, our painting guys. We have our electricity guys. We have our landscaping guys. We have our tiling guys, countertop guy, cover painter. We have a lot of trades now that we work with. And it's crazy how we started from just the two of us, and we are growing and growing even still today.
By the way, we have our website, artdecocanada.com. Take a look at the tab where it says services. It will list all the services we do and all the videos or proofs
That
of
we
the
have done.
projects that we've done.
We wanted to be able to scale into a way that we make communities. We do not just leave a nice room pretty, but at the same time leave a legacy that these are the houses that Art Deco have made, and we made memories in here.
we're sharing our story. It's not to put emphasis on how great we are or how fast we were able to scale Art Deco. It's about us telling you guys that there is a way, that you can make it. You have just to follow your dreams.
Without the big guy above, we are nothing.
So thank you, God, and all the supporters for a wonderful year. We are forever grateful.